welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So before we jump into it, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, go ahead and make sure you smash that subscribe button. So in today's video, we are going to be creating this makeup look, this full face, using a few new makeup products here on my channel. So if you guys want to see my thoughts and me use some new products, then just keep on watching. So jumping right into it, of course my brows are already done and my eyelids are already primed. So the palette that we're going to be using is by Makeup Revolution, and this is one of their reloaded palettes. I really like the last one that I used and I did a video on. It was like a minute ago, but we're gonna see how I like this one. So this is what the palette looks like, and as you guys can see, this palette has a lot of warm tones in it. And this one is the Reloaded palette in Iconic Fever. So I'm not really sure what kind of look I'm going for, but we're going to figure this thing out here on camera. So I think the first shade I'm going to take is this medium brown shade right here. I'm not really sure if it's going to show up, but we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. Okay, so that shade actually did show up just a little bit. The matte shades seem like they have a lot of kick up. I'm not really sure about the shimmer shades because we haven't gotten to those yet, but I just wanted to let you guys know to be careful, especially if you're one of the girls that do your foundation first. Be careful, fair warning. So the next shade I'm going into is this shade right here, and I'm going to continue to build up my transition area. So what I'm going to do is I want to play with this orange and see what the orange does. I really should have used the orange first, but anyways, I'm going to take a little bit of this orange and I'm using a smaller brush, and I'm basically going to be putting it like literally right here in this area, like right between that transition shade and my brow bone. Not too high, not too low. Okay, so that gave me a little something. Next I'm gonna go into this burgundy shade right here, and I'm just gonna pretty much focus this like on my outer corner area. To make my brow bone pop a little bit more, since we got a little crazy with the colors, we done tried like 5 of these eyeshadows out already. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this shade right here and mix it with this one, and I'm gonna use this for my brow bone highlight. I literally just dug my whole pinky in this eyeshadow. So I do really like how warm this palette is, and I kind of want to keep my lid really warm. So I'm not sure if I want to use this shade or that shade. Both of them are really pretty. This one's pretty too, but it's more like a pinkish rose gold kind of color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just go with this shade right here. So we're not doing a cut crease, but I am going to take some of my Urban Decay setting spray and my Morphe 421 brush, and I'm going to wet the brush so that I can get super crazy color payoff. Let's do it. So now I'm just going back in with my blending brush and just pretty much blending the two colors together. As you guys can see, this eye look is very smoked out. I did not want a sharp look, so that's why I'm going back and doing this extra step just to make sure everything is blended together. So now that the lashes are on, we are ready to move on to the face. But let me just say, I'm really loving how my eyes turned out. I rarely ever do eyeshadow looks that are like this, but I feel like this eyeshadow look was very beginner friendly, and very simple, very easy. This palette is super beautiful. If you're a beginner and you want to learn how to do eyeshadow and play with eyeshadow, these Makeup Revolution palettes are bomb.com, and I love how warm this one is. It's so many beautiful warm shades that you can create so many looks with in this one palette. So let's go ahead and move on to the face. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I love this stuff. I love that it minimizes my pores and it also keeps my oils at bay. Because honey, my oils be trying to come for me. Like they be trying to just ruin my whole life out here. And then for foundation, I just look in the monitor and my face look like hella white. But anyways, on the foundation, I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is my OG high-end foundation, period. No questions about it. So I'm feeling a little bougie today, so we're gonna go with Lauder today, honey. I've really been on my drugstore shit lately though, you guys, so I've been using a lot of drugstore products, but today I was just feeling a little bad and bougie or whatever. And then for my concealer, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty concealer. So to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using my Mercier setting powder. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my handy dandy. Y'all already know. If you've been watching my channel, if you've been on my channel, honey, you already know what this is. This is an OG powder that holds me down. So moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be using the new Morphe GlamaBronze. That's what it's called. Let me show y'all the packaging. Like the packaging is really, really pretty. So this is what the box looks like that it comes in. And I got the shade Phenom. So this is the bronzer and this is what the packaging look like. So you open it up, it comes with a mirror, and of course I'm holding it upside down, but it comes with a mirror. I don't want to blind you guys. And of course it comes with the bronzer. So this is what the bronzer looks like, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but I already snuck and used this bronzer once because I just couldn't wait any longer. Like I knew I was gonna film this video very, very soon, but I kept seeing this bronzer sit on my vanity and my face, and my little makeup soul was not having it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this to bronze up the skin, and y'all, it is such a beautiful bronzer. Look how pretty it is. I only put it right here on my forehead, y'all, but I love this bronzer. It's so freaking pretty. And by the way, did you guys see how big this pan is? Like it is huge. And it's a lot of product, I want to say, in this bronzer. Let's see how much you get. You get 0.20 grams. So you get a good bit of bronzer in here. I like the fact that it gives you a lot. So this is going to last me a really, really long time. The packaging, not very travel friendly. But the bronzer, y'all, that's all that matters, honey, is the bronzer. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? For blush, I told y'all I was feeling bougie today. Stop playing with me. It's okay. Can I have my bougie moment, y'all? I always come on here and do drugstore products. Just let me have my moment, please. So I've actually never used this blush before, of course, trying new products. I did pick up this from TJ Maxx, so I did not pay full price. So check me out. So I paid $10.99 for this. It's regular, I think maybe like $20 or something. It comes with a little mirror. And the shades in this blush are super beautiful, and I figured this would go perfect with my eye look because my eyes are already like orangish kind of ish vibes. So I'm trying to see which one I want to use, and I think my brush is literally going to go in all of them, but I think I'm going to go with these two right here. I was gonna do, did I do those two or those two? You know what? Let's just do all three. You know what I'm saying? Let's just do all three. Let me tap this off real good. Because I don't want to be looking clownish. And one of the blushes actually, well, two of them actually have a shimmer in it. And then for highlight, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl True Blend Super Stunner palette. And this one's in 510. So I think they came out with like 3 of these highlighters. Ooh, she popping. This one's really pretty too. Lately, I've been liking something like this, a little bit more subtle, not doing too much. Let's go ahead and try her out. But let's see how it looks. Ooh. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. All I can say is wow right now. Like, this is gorgeous. And this highlighter is super creamy. Like, sometimes it's so hard to scrub off the highlighter, like kind of getting the first layer off. But this highlighter is super, super creamy. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my mole. And by the way, you guys, I did not contour my nose, but I am going to do it just a little bit because I have like a dark mark right here, and sometimes it looks really crazy when I do contour my nose. So I'm only going to do like a little bit, fairly light, because I don't want to draw more attention to that that dark spot over there. But I do want my nose to be snatched, of course. So going back into the eyeshadow palette before we move on to lips, I'm just going to take my small smudge brush and we're gonna go in with these 2 shades, that orange and the shade next to it, and I'm just going to kind of use this to smoke my bottom lash line out. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to mascara. I was about to say lips. So before we move on to lips, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face. And then for lip liner, I'm gonna be using ColourPop BFF3. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using MAC, and it's a MAC lipstick in Kinda Sexy. And then I'm taking some of my favorite gloss from the drugstore. This one is Black Radiance Brilliant Effects Gloss. And they don't have names, I don't think, but this one is in 3254, and I literally have all of these. And that pretty much is it. Like, I am super happy and super pleased with these products. This trying new products went really, really well. I love this makeup look. Like, I will definitely be recreating this makeup look again. It was super simple, especially the eyeshadow, you guys. Hella simple. So this is pretty much it, the look. So if you guys enjoy seeing me try new products and doing videos like this, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, don't forget to go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams, and I will see you guys in my next video.